Your first solo trip can change your life or make you never want to travel alone again. After COVID, Malta was already about 85% vaccinated, so I felt safe enough to take the plunge right after a tough breakup. And honestly, it wasn't easy. I felt lonely, awkward, and totally unprepared. But that trip taught me key lessons that completely changed my travels after that. Stick around to the end because I'm sharing every tip you need to make your first solo adventure unforgettable and for all the right reasons. Malta taught me what not to do, how to prepare better, how to travel lighter, and how to really connect with myself and others on the road. I realized solo travel isn't always instant magic. Sometimes it's awkward, lonely, or frustrating. But when you keep trying, you grow. You become more confident, more independent, and free. And that's when solo travel becomes life changing. And I want to help you get there faster. After that first trip, every solo adventure taught me something new. Sometimes big, sometimes small. You learn to enjoy your own company. There's a difference between being alone and feeling lonely. And solo travel forces you to meet yourself fully. You learn to embrace silence. Moments without distraction become powerful. You learn how to read people and situations quickly, trust your instincts, and stay aware of your surroundings without being paranoid. You learn to walk into a restaurant, cafe, or even a surf class alone and not feel awkward. You learn to find comfort in your own company. And most importantly, you stop waiting for permission from your friends, from your family, or from society to live life in your own terms. And that's freedom. And it's addicting. Some places are made for solo travel. They're easy to navigate, safe, and full of digital nomads or solo adventurers. Here are my top picks. Europe, a generally safe and diverse continent perfect for solo travelers. Portugal's Lisbon and Ericeira are highlights, and other great spots include Spain, Italy, Croatia, and Greece, all offering amazing culture, friendly people, and beautiful places to explore. Bali, Indonesia. It's spiritual, it's social, it's surf and sunsets. You'll find community fast in Canggu or Uluwatu. Siargao, Philippines. Raw beauty, amazing island hopping, and you'll always meet someone around the next corner. Japan, safe, clean, and easy to get around. Japan blends tradition and modernity, making it a fascinating destination for solo adventurers. Thailand, from Bangkok to Chiang Mai to the islands, it's a classic for a reason. Mexico, Tulum, solo friendly with great food and culture. These places are not just safe, they're also open hearted. And when you travel solo, that matters. Let's talk logistics. These are things I do on every solo trip to stay safe and feel empowered. Always share your itinerary with a family member or friend. Download offline maps. Google Maps offline is a lifesaver. Book at least the first 2 nights in advance, and after that, stay flexible or book the whole thing. That's what I do. Choose hostels or accommodations that organize group activities or social events. Great ways to meet other travelers. If you're staying in a hostel dorm, verify if it has lockers and choose 4 to 6 bedrooms, preferably all female if you are a girl. Book group tours or activities ahead of time through trusted platforms like Get Your Guide to stay safe and connect with others. Use Worldpackers for work travel opportunities. You meet people and save money on accommodation. Isn't that great? Avoid taking random taxis. Instead, pre-book airport transfers or use ride-sharing apps like Uber, Bolt, Grab, or Gojek in Asia. Travel light. A backpack, not a suitcase. You're moving often. Get travel insurance through reliable providers like Yati. It can literally save your life. Use an eSIM or local SIM card to stay connected without hunting for Wi-Fi all the time. Say no confidently. If something feels off, walk away. Talk to locals. Ask where they eat, what they love. Learn 5 basic phrases in the local language. They can be really useful. Join co-working spaces or cafes because they're great to meet people without any pressure. All these tips are on the checklist you can get in the link on the description. You don't need to be brave all the time. You just need to start. Here's what no one tells you. Solo travel can be lonely. There are moments where you are in the most beautiful place in the world and you just wish that someone was there to see it with you. You might cry. You'll have bad days. You'll get sick and yes, you'll miss flights. But those days, they are the ones who shape you. You'll realize you're more resilient than you thought. And then you'll have days so free, so full of joy, where on a beach or a mountain or a street market at sunset, and you'll just think, I did this alone, and that will stay with you forever. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to hear about your solo travel dreams or experiences in the comments below. And if you want to be part of a community of like-minded travelers, adventurers, and freedom seekers, I'm starting a travel club. So just drop a comment or DM me at traveling.anna on Insta to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest travel stories, and until the next time, go book that ticket. Your adventure is waiting.